Hello friends, let's learn how to create this fun kids music video together. I am so excited to teach you. Let's go!
Left foot, right foot, step, step, step. Little heart is walking, step, step, step. Clap, clap, jump, jump, big smiles today. Spin, spin, wave, wave, hip, hooray! Little heart is moving, happy as can be. Come on, friends, dance it.
The first thing to do in order to create this fun kids musical video is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a bright pink heart-shaped pixel style cartoon with a cheerful face and all the other characteristics you like. And you can decide that ChatGPT to create a triangle shaped cartoon character or a square shaped cartoon character, whatever character you would like. And do not forget to ask ChatGPT to make the aspect ratio of your image 16:9. You can see that my image is ready. I like it, but the background of the character or the background of the image is not cartoon. So I'm just going to ask it to give it a playground background. So it is going to go ahead and regenerate the image for me, and it's going to give me a playground background. You can see this is cartoonish and it's also playground. It is fun, and this character and its background will capture the attention of little ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make my character front facing. You can see it's a bit facing sideways. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to make it front facing. So the first one, the second one is ready. Now do not forget to download it as you go. I'm just going to go ahead and download all my characters. Now the third one is almost ready. Please, if you are watching to this point, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment if you have a question, or if you want the prompt I use in generating this image or images, you can just let me know in the comment section. Now my cartoon is ready and it is front facing, so I'm just going to go ahead and also download it like I did with the other ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT now to give me a fun and short nursery rhyme. And if you think your nursery rhyme is too short, once ChatGPT creates it, you can ask it to make it a bit longer. Next, I'm going to head over to Pixvas AI to animate my images. I'll click on video on the left hand side, then I'm going to go ahead and bring in the images from ChatGPT or image from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and click the duration as 5 seconds, then bring in the first image, which is this one that is facing sideways, and then I'm going to go to ChatGPT and bring the description of the video I want Pixvas AI to create based on my nursery rhyme. I don't know if you understand this, so I'm just going to ask it to create a heart-shaped cartoon character that is either, and I got this from the nursery rhyme, so you can follow your nursery rhyme to make sure that your videos and your nursery rhyme rhymes together. So a happy heart-shaped cartoon character that is clapping and tapping, and I got this from my nursery rhyme in ChatGPT. Now my video is ready. I don't know, network is a bit poor, so it's not really showing my video. I'm just going to go ahead and download the video and go ahead and bring in the second image, and also go to ChatGPT to get the description for my video. A cartoon character that is bouncing and dancing is the second one, so it's also ready. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, network is not letting me show you, but it is amazing. It is fire, like you saw at the beginning of this video. Now you can create as many videos that you want based on your nursery rhyme. So once I'm done with creating my video, I'm going to head over to Suno AI to generate my nursery rhyme. Click on Suno AI. Then once you are in the interface, click on sign in if you have an account, and sign up if this is your first time. Once I click on sign in, because I've been using Suno for a long time now, I'm just going to head over to the interface where I'm going to create my nursery rhyme. So I'm going to quickly bring in my lyrics, the one I generated with ChatGPT. Now I'm just going to head over to ChatGPT to copy the nursery rhyme, then go over to Suno AI and paste it in where I have lyrics. Then I'm going to scroll to where I have style. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to generate the style of this nursery rhyme, and it has done so. So I'm just going to copy the style of the nursery rhyme and head over to Suno AI to paste it in the section where I have style. Next, I'm going to scroll to where I have title of the song, and I'm going to just type in the title of the song. For this song, or for this nursery rhyme, it is left foot, right foot. Then I'm going to click on generate. Suno AI has a paid version and a free version, so it's going to generate two nursery rhyme, your nursery rhyme in two versions, in the paid version and in the free version. So I'm just going to click on the free version, listen to it, and then I'm going to go ahead and download it, the free version. Finally, the last step, I'm going to go to CapCut. I'm using CapCut desktop version. I'm going to bring in all the videos I generated from Pixbars, and I'm going to go ahead and bring the nursery rhyme from Suno AI. You can see, yes, I'm just going to bring it in, and once I bring them in, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the music to the timeline, to the editing timeline. And once my nursery rhyme is in the editing timeline, I'm going to drag in my first video. I'm going to take a listen to the song too, because that will tell me what next to do. Not to waste time, I'm not going to show you this process because it's very easy. All you need to do is listen and drag in the right video based on the lyrics of your nursery rhyme. So I'm just going to fast forward it in order to save time. That I have edited and arranged my nursery rhyme video based on the lyrics, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the export button at the top right hand corner, and then click on export to export my video.